So guys, it's part 3. Gonna write it. So guys, I'm done review, and I'm done answering now, I think. So yeah. By the way, I'm almost done with grade. I'm gonna go to grade 3 soon. No, I miss my student teacher and my advisor. Then of course, I'll say goodbye to my classmates. But I am SS. And guys, I hope that I'm gonna be with high honors. Yeah, at recognition day. On recognition me, and our recognition is April 14th and today's April. So yeah, wish me luck with my test. This is my test. It look, and we are done now testing that one. This will be the because tomorrow's Friday and today's Thursday. So bye guys, wish me luck. I'm gonna pray to God and Jesus. Bye. So guys, this is our okay. Good night guys. Bye. Sleep well. Bye. Like